So is Survey Junkie legit? Is it really worth your time? Well, in today's video, I'm going to answer that question, share how much I've personally made on Survey Junkie, and give you my brutally honest opinion in my Survey Junkie review. So what is Survey Junkie? Survey Junkie is a market research company that connects businesses and brands to consumers who are willing to share their opinions and get feedback on various products or services. By completing the surveys, users can earn points, which they can then redeem into cash or gift cards. With millions of users and a good track record, Survey Junkie is definitely one of the most popular paid survey companies around, but the real question still lies, is Survey Junkie legit, and can you actually make money with them? All right, let's answer the question, is Survey Junkie legit? And the answer is yes. It's been around since 2005. This is when I started using it back in college. It's highly recommended by users with almost 45,000 ratings, and it also has a B rating with the Better Business Bureau. However, I want to be completely transparent and honest in this review, and paid surveys are not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to be able to quit your day job or make thousands of dollars taking paid surveys. But if you're looking for some easy way to make extra cash in your free time, Survey Junkie can definitely help with that. So now let's talk about the pros and the cons. Although Survey Junkie is a legitimate platform, obviously it's going to have its pros and its cons. So some of the pros include it's free to join. It's got an easy to use website and dashboard. It's got a variety of ways to kind of use your points to cash out. So you can use PayPal or gift cards, which is a really good thing to do because it's got variety, and it's got a really good track record with users. On the other hand, let's talk about the cons. So not everyone's going to qualify for all the surveys. Some, demographics are going to qualify for way more surveys. Surveys can be very time consuming for the amount of money you earn. We're talking, you might have to do a 20 to 30 minute survey to earn $1. I mean, it's not a very good trade-off, but if you're sitting watching TV, it could be an easy way to make some money. And obviously it's going to have some limiting earning potential. So now let's talk about how to get started with Survey Junkie. And again, it's completely free, takes just a couple minutes. Once you create an account, you will be asked to complete a profile survey, and this is going to help you match to relevant surveys so you can earn as much money as possible. And when a survey becomes available for you, you will receive an email notification, or you can check the dashboard and they can easily kind of pop up, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. Surveys take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes to complete. Obviously, the more efficient you are, the faster you can work, the more points you can earn. Usually surveys like that, you can earn anywhere from like 50 to 500 points. And once you reach 500 points, which equals $5, you can cash out through PayPal or redeem gift cards to popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and all the above. So I personally set up a new account with Survey Junkie just to test it out. Spent 20 minutes or so taking surveys and setting up my account. And I was a little underwhelmed by how many opportunities there are based on, time versus money, how much you can actually earn. But here's a survey right here, 400 points. That's going to be a $4 survey. And it looks like, we're starting to qualify for 1 out of every 5 surveys, which seems pretty good, about 20%. You can also add extensions. So here's 100 points, which is $1, to just basically add an extension to your Chrome. So there are lots of opportunities, and it looks like there are plenty of surveys here to make some money off of. 20 points for 3 minutes. That's not bad. And it also breaks down how many points you can earn per minute, which seems pretty good. So you can kind of extend that out for 60 minutes and see what you could be earning in an hour type of thing. And again, there's lots of opportunities within Survey Junkie. And if you don't know this, I actually have a video on our channel where I spent hours taking paid online surveys to see how much I could actually make. You can check it out in one of the cards here after this video. And through testing out all those paid survey companies, I found that Swagbucks has the most survey opportunities and the ways to make money. And the good thing is they start you off with a $10 sign-up bonus, which is a huge plus just to get you off and running. So there's a link in the description if you want to check that out. So how much money can you actually make with Survey Junkie? And honestly, it comes down to the amount of surveys that you're going to take and the activities that you qualify within the app. And there's really a wide spectrum of how much you make. Some users on Trustpilot say they make a couple $100s a month, while others are complaining about only making a few dollars. And it really depends on the demographic you have and the demand for your opinions and the value for the opinions that you have. And keep in mind, you won't qualify for every survey, so it's important to be patient and consistent in completing the surveys if you really want to make money with Survey Junkie. And again, I want to blatantly be clear that there's much better ways to make money online than taking paid surveys. This is only a good way to make money here and there in your free time. All right, so let's talk about Survey Junkie alternatives. If paid surveys don't seem like a right fit for you, here's some alternatives to make money online. The first one's gonna be FlexJobs, which is a platform for finding flexible remote work from home opportunities. I have a full review video on that you can check out. The next one's gonna be affiliate marketing, and that's just earning commission by promoting products and services that you like, know, and trust to an audience. So building an audience on social media, starting a blog, starting a YouTube channel, and basically promoting those products and then earning commission. And last but not least, my favorite is freelancing. It's the easiest to get started. You basically take the skills you already have, whether that's bookkeeping, proofreading, video editing, social media management, virtual assistant, and taking those skills, going onto places like Upwork or freelancer.com or even FlexJobs, and basically offering different business owners those services. And then you get to set your own wage, set your own hours, and have that flexibility to kind of make money on your own terms. And we have all of these 3 different ways of making money online on our YouTube channel. So make sure you're subscribed so you can go check out those videos. So here are my final thoughts on Survey Junkie and whether I think it's worth your time or not. If you enjoy taking surveys, you don't mind spending extra time doing that and earning a little extra cash, then yes, Survey Junkie is definitely worth checking out. However, if you're looking for more substantial income and faster ways to make money online, there are much better options. And in my next video, I'm going to share the 5 best side hustles that are going to explode into the new year, and I'll see you over there. See ya.